Hi everyone, and welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And it's the soil temperature in my raised bed gardens, 65 consistently, and I'm taking the time now to plant some short season lettuce, pak choi, bok choy, and I think that's it. And what's great is it's still too early to be getting my summer squashes and my winter squashes going. So most of these will already be ready to harvest by the time that I'm planting those. But I wanted to take the time to just talk about seed tape. You may see those sometimes. Here's seed tape. It says right there up at the top. As a way to make it easier to plant gardens, and if you're somebody who's a little OCD about spacing out your seeds so that you don't have to thin them, seed tape may be a good choice for you. This is how it comes, kind of almost like fabric bias tape, and it is biodegradable paper, and you can see those little spots in there are the seeds that are evenly spaced. So you're just going to rip off a stripe and plant them. And there's the seed tape on the ground. It's made its own little row, and I'm just going to cover it with a little bit of dirt, and then I'll have a nice, perfectly straight line, and I won't have to thin this lettuce.